The ChessUp 2 is an ingenious device that bridges the gap between online chess and the tactile experience of playing on a physical board. Here's what makes it remarkable. Play Chess.com games on a real board. ChessUp 2 is fully supported by Chess.com, allowing you to play your online rated games against humans or bots directly on a physical board. It's the best of both worlds. No app is needed, and you don't even require a smartphone. The Wi-Fi-enabled touchscreen board syncs directly to your Chess.com account, providing an authentic over-the-board experience. Once your game is complete, you can save and analyze it as usual on Chess.com. Touch-sensitive pieces with Piece ID chips. Each piece on the ChessUp 2 board is touch-sensitive and has its own ID chip, ensuring perfect and responsive gameplay. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this feature enhances your chess experience. AI assistance and learning tools. ChessUp 2 allows AI hints and lets players of different skill levels compete. Beginners can learn by touching a piece and exploring all possible moves. It's a versatile tool for players at all levels. New features exclusive to ChessUp 2. Touchscreen. The board features a touchscreen, eliminating the need for additional apps. Built-in Wi-Fi. Connect directly online without any intermediaries. Supported by Chess.com. Enjoy platform favorite features, including bots. Here are some of the pros and cons of the ChessUp 2. Pros. Enhanced online chess experience. Traditional feel with modern convenience. Improved focus. Cons. Subscription fees. Limited functionality. Dependence on technology. Overall, the ChessUp 2 offers a unique way to combine the classic chess experience with the online features of Chess.com. However, the potential drawbacks like cost, subscription fees, and limited functionality compared to other smart chessboards need consideration. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.